Beautiful. Well, that, ladies and gents, was the Kirkstone Pass. Very nice indeed. Oh, puddle on the left. Yeah, that's the puddle, Joe. Well, you got me to follow, so beautiful. That's what you have got to watch going around these bends. You go around a bend and then they'll have a lay-by right there, say, and you get people pulling out of them. Yeah, look at that, they're beautiful. Right. When you're group touring, you staggered formation. I'll stay out, you take the inner line, and then you should be out of the spray line. And if I have to anchor up quick, at least if you don't hit your brakes, at least you go sailing past and don't hit me. You may hit a fucking scaffold lorry up the ass. Oh, we should have gone there. That's talking, see? Yeah, we're going here, look. That's... I was gas bagging. Too busy gas bagging, telling... Oh, my life. Telling Joe what he should be doing and shouldn't. Can we go out that way? I reckon we can roll back, can we? We're going to go back out that way.
No, you're not, she says. Them's not the rules.
It's up by the welcome building up there.
That's fine. We're going to sneak back out that way quickly.
I haven't seen you go out there.
They always used to said that in my school reports, and it said easily distracted.
Concentration span of a gnat.
Right, up here. Yeah. So should have put it on the route, really, shouldn't I?
Yeah. It's definitely worth turning around for this road. I can hear you.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, right.
Oh, your camera.
Are we going to do stop number 6, are we?
Yeah, does it say, do you need to stop? Well, there you go. This is wide. This is a wide spot. Faff stop number 6.
Never had that before, gents.
No.
Well, no doubt we'll stop for coffee in a bit and we can have a look, see, can't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Roochie Choochie.
I'm thinking, go! For this van, hurry up!
Don't want to get stuck behind that mini bus, do we?
No.
That'll spoil our ride. All the roads are drying out. You only lose 25% of your grip in the wet. Now bearing in mind, when you're riding, you're nowhere near 100%. No. It doesn't really matter, does it?
No. Do you know what it'll be the really bad bit? If there's a lot of water on the road, and that's when you might lose if you're leading and doing all that.
Yeah.
But most
the
of the time it's fit.
The tyres on these bikes and the bikes will outhandle us, won't they?
They're painting some white lines, apparently.
The tyres have got way more skill than I have.
Yes.
More ability. So is this counting as a pass, gents, or is it just
It's taken us 2-1, isn't it?
Yeah. I mean, they're all passes, it's just not an official one, is it? You know, I don't think it's...
Welcome to Dockeray. Nah, it's back to the olden days, wasn't it, with the awesome carts, I expect. It was the only
Some
way to
bloke who wrote the history books.
get across the old hills and everything, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, a lot of them are old either drovers trails or military trails, aren't they?
Yeah, well, how many old military roads are there in this country?
Lorry looking to pull out on the left. Road ahead closed.
Here we go.
Ah, but is it a road off to the side that's closed?
Exactly. And is it closed to all vehicles, or can motorbikes slip through?
He stopped on the left. He's having a look for a detour. I thought you and Steve had your helmets off for a minute. It's Joe's headlights. I thought it was your bulb patches reflecting in the sun.
He's a nasty bugger, isn't he? Just sat at the back, minding my own business, and he's still abusing me.
Beautiful. Oh, look at that.
You unlock those sheep again, Nige?
It's lovely, isn't it?
It's gorgeous.
Right, it's on this road we're going again. We'll get there and say, didn't you see all the signs? What fucking signs? Yeah.
If you said to him, you know, what size, you go, the little bastards have nicked him again, haven't they? The third time this week I've had to put them bloody signs up.
They close the road at a drop of a hat these days so they can sod off.
Oh yeah.
So when you play
Right.
this bit of video back, remember cut out the road close signs.
Right, even what's name's coming up and say roadwork ahead.
Well, 900 yards
never
way
know.
down the left, aren't we?
Might be able to dip through on the bike even if it is. Oh no, it is, look. Right. I don't know.
There's something off to the left, but I
To
think
the left.
it's a farm track.
Yeah. Well, this is a farm track. We can fucking ask. Oh, I was going to say ask him, but I've turned here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
0.4 of a mile, turn right.
But it might take you down here and then say turn round at the end where there's a spot.
Well, I've got 0.3 of a mile, turn right.
Yeah, 450 yards.
Yeah. Nice road though.
No, you can't.
So we
That's
wouldn't have
lovely.
seen that view otherwise, would we?
Right, it's saying go down in there.
It is. I think we'll carry on a little bit longer, don't you?
Hang on. Let's have a quick
Not
peek.
telling you to go in there and
No,
then
it's telling you to turn round, yeah. But if we keep going on this road, it
Yep.
does bring us to our route, so we'll have to hang a right and then come back a bit and then pick up the main road.
Yeah, good with that.
Yeah. Hang on. I think we go straight on.
Definitely. Make it up as we go along.
Yeah. Well, it wasn't our fault the road was closed.
It's annoying that I can see cars moving on that bloody road.
Yeah.
This is all part of the fun.
Yeah. Like I said, you would never have seen this view if we was on that road.
Feels like home, doesn't it, Steve?
It does, yeah. It's like we're back on the main roads again.
Right, dog in the road down here.
Dogging.
He's a tail wagger. Hello, my boy. Hello. Yeah, the old tail wagger though.
Hello, mate. He just wants to play, doesn't he?
Yeah. It does. Don't know, that's where it's saying.
Well,
Yeah,
the A66 is just the
there,
other side of
look.
those trees there.
It's there.
Oh, lovely.
This is a farmer's. No.
We're not quitters.
Yeah.
That's the joys of the motorbike, Joe.
There's the main road up there, look.
Aye.
God, you're loud.
How far away are we from the pass?
Why do you need to change?
The batteries look like it's a bit.
Oh, bitch. Skidded a bit on something there. No, the next one over there. I'll stop here and then we can sort out your batteries and what have you. Because I don't know how long we've been going since we left that garage. Faff stop number 7. See, look, Joe, better than the M25. Now, your MRA, when we get to the main road, may well say turn right.
Yeah, we don't want to do
Because
that.
it's only because that is the next nearest waypoint. But when we go left, it should skip it. That's if we can turn left. You may not be able to.
Well, it says 900 yards turn right onto the A66, and then we'll be turning left, won't we? There's the main road up there. Yeah, we want to go left here, don't we?
I think so.
Yes. Well,
Ignore the sat nav.
Yeah, we want to be heading towards Keswick.
Yeah, ignore the sat nav. It's just because that waypoint just back down there is the closest.
Yeah.
There you go, Keswick. Oh, I'm not going to. You reckon you'll all get out?
I'm not arguing with him.
I think we got Alex back there, or no, we got Steve still back there. Pull over here.
Steve, no, just keep going. Steve will catch up.
Yeah, I'll catch you up when we turn off to Braithwaite Village.
Yep. Look at that. Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Where are you? Behind the lorry, Steve?
I'm about 6 cars behind the lorry, but don't worry about me.
It's very clear on the other side of the road, isn't it? Nothing coming.
You are clear, Steve. You are clear still.
That's alright, I'm on my way down.
Now I recognise this road.
You do?
I've come up there a few times, A66.
Oh, the old 66, yeah.
The last time I was along here, a lot further down here, they had the speed camera vans on here and all.
Yeah. How far back is Steve?
I'm 4
I think he's behind the
lorry.
wagon. Behind the lorry.
I've got 1 turning off, so I'll be 3 behind the lorry.
Let's all slow down to 20 miles an hour, then you'll be able to overtake the wagon, the lorry.
I'm in no rush, boys, I can catch you up.
Sticking to you like glue, Nige. I don't want to get lost. I haven't got a map.
Fucking hell, you're loud.
Oh, sorry.
I got to have the volume up to hear those two. But
No,
for
that's
some
fine.
reason, your microphone on that Senna you got there must be superb.
I can't change you, but is that any better? I'm trying again.
Yeah, no, it's fine, it's fine. I keep
forgetting.
I keep meaning to put my earplugs in, but then I won't hear them.
That's probably why I can't get my gain down as much on my microphone. I'm just too loud.
Excitable.
Oh, even though it's cloudy and everything, it does look nice, clouds on the hills, mountains and things.
Yeah, it gives it a moody look, doesn't it? It's just the truck to go. Shut up, Nige. You are so good at that.
Yeah, I know, but it's a bloody
You're going straight ahead, Nige.
second exit, yeah. A66, Workington Cockermouth. You all over?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, V4.
Well, so far it hasn't gone wrong. I have, the nav hasn't.
Yeah.
Branching off left.
Nice caravan and camping club site on the left up here.
Don't start with that shit.
I picked these sites because it's only like a 2-minute walk to the pub.
So in a minute, Steve, you'll see a blue line heading us off up that way.
Yeah.
But we're going to go up the pass and have a coffee.
Yeah.
Unless you want to stop here.
No, I've been to that one.
Have you?
Yeah.
Looks rather busy too.
Well, I haven't been there. What about me?
Yeah, no, you wouldn't like it, Joe.
I wouldn't like it. Oh, that's all right then.
No, you wouldn't
Carry
like
on.
Let's head up to the pass and go at the visitors centre and have one there.
Windlatter Pass.
Car coming and a pickup truck.
This is a nice pass, Joe. You'll enjoy this one. Nice and open.
Which one did you say this was?
Windlatter.
Yeah.
Right, you two just spoke at the same time. Which one?
No, none of us spoke. Windlatter. So I cycled the pass coming the other way. Look at that, isn't that lovely? But this one's not as scenic and picturesque as the others, is it? I don't think.
I don't know. I like
it's
this
more
one.
trees.
Yeah.
It's more trees.
It's picturesque in a different way.
I was up here with my wife last October,
Yeah.
I think it was, when we were here. Because there's a good viewpoint over that way for the mountain, right?
Yeah. There's one up here on the right.
This is the centre of 2 miles. That's where the calf is, isn't it?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, it'll come up in a yellow waypoint.
Is that not the one where they make you pay though?
Oh, bloody well hope not.
For what?
Is it not a visitor centre as well? Maybe it's a different one.
What,
'Cause
pay to get in it?
Well, we went to a visitor centre up here, the Woodlands thing, and we walked the Woodlands and they had a cafe and all that good stuff. But you had to pay £3 to park.
I'm sure they've got a nice wide pavement right outside the door. Yeah, there's your viewpoint there, look.
Yeah, that's it. We stopped there with the dog and got some pictures. Very nice.
So what is your view on these tyres then, Nige?
Well, they haven't been bad actually in the wet, to be honest.
I mean, obviously it was going to slip on those cattle grids we were on, wasn't it? But
Yeah,
Too much gas.
that's what
Too
it
much
was.
salt.
we were on
Well,
bloody
we were
tick over.
accelerating just to get going, go up the hill.
Yeah. But it was only tick over acceleration, wasn't it? We weren't gunning it.
Yeah, it wasn't nothing daft, was it?
No. Probably about as much throttle as we got on now.
You know how many years these trees have been out? Sure. Hundreds, mustn't it?
Yeah. Aye.
Go out and coffee on the right.
Yeah, this is where they make you park. Pay.
Is it?
I expect bikes are free.
What's free?
I expect bikes are free, aren't they?
Should be free if you're buying a cup of coffee off them.
Yeah, look, first hour £2.70. Number plate recognition. Well, they ain't going to get ours coming in, are they?
No.
Motorcycles. Yeah.
Is that it?
There must be more. If I go right forward,
I'm not going to get the 4 of us in there though.
well, surely if they've got a motorcycle bay, they shouldn't make you pay. Is that motorcycle, Al?
No.
Do you have to pay here for bikes?
No clue. I have no clue.
Fucking, I expect the coffee's dear enough. You don't have to pay for parking and all.